Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about nature of management. Now let us understand what is the nature of management. In that, first point is management is a human activity. Now what do you mean by human activity? Human activity means what? In the organization human beings are required, okay, or people are there in the organization. Now one example is there that an organization cannot run without the people or without the employees, okay. Now have you seen that in any kind of a company or in any organization, okay, without people or without the employees who are there, okay, an organization cannot run. So human beings, okay, or human resources which are there or people are required in the organization. So it is an human activity. Human activity means what? People are required in the organization. It may be the employees also, workers, okay, or any departmental managers also. So that is called as a human activity. Now already I have told you, in the organization there is a manager or departmental managers are there, or different employees and workers are there, okay. So here the manager will try to plan different kind of the task or activities, and after planning comes implementation. Implementation means what? Putting the plan into action, okay. That is called as a human activity. Only you need to remember that human activity means what? Human beings or people are required in the organization. Means without people or without human resources an organization cannot run. Now there is one saying that organization need human resources or people, and people also need organization. Okay, as I have told you, if there are no employees in the organization, an organization cannot run. And why people require organization? Now if people or employees they want to get a good job in a company, then they require the company or organization. So management is a human activity, means it is totally dependent upon the people or employees in the organization. The next one, it is needed at all levels of organization. All levels of organization means what? There are three levels of management or three levels in the organization. Which are the three levels? Top management, okay, middle level and lower level management. So here it doesn't mean that management is required only at the top level of organization. Now what will come in the top level? Okay, the top management or the main head of the organization. And middle level organization. Middle level management means what? All the departmental managers. And lower level organization. So lower level management means what? All the means shop floor or staff workers which are there, okay, employees and workers. So management is needed at all levels of organization. It may be the top level or middle level or lower level organization. Then management is a separate entity. Now what do you mean by separate entity? Management is a distinct entity or it is a separate entity, okay. Like in the organization there are different departments which are there, okay. Like what happens, there is a HR department or finance department, marketing department, production department, okay. So in that management is a distinct or it is a separate entity. Then management is a system of authority. First of all, you clearly understand that, okay, what do you mean by authority and responsibility? Now in the organization, who will be having the authority? Authority means what? The position. So top level management will be having that authority or position. And he will tell whatever the responsibility to the middle level management and the lower level management. So management is a system of authority. Authority or position is there with the management. So whatever the instruction is been given by the top level management, okay, it is required that means it may be the middle level management or the lower level management. Okay, they should try to follow those instruction. Okay, if there is no authority, okay, then people will not be able to follow proper rules and discipline. So management, it is a system of authority. Authority or position is there with the top level management, and whatever the top management will tell, it is required that all the departmental managers or all levels, that is employees and workers, should try to follow those orders and instruction. So it is a system of authority. Authority means the position or who is having the power or control in the organization. Then management is a profession. Now what do you mean by profession? Okay, profession means what? Now here management, it deals with, okay, means what? It is a professional type. Means what all, how the rules and regulations are to be framed in the organization. Okay, then how to control the employees or workers. Okay, so maintaining a proper discipline in the organization. So management, it is a profession. Then next one, management is a process. Now what do you mean by process? Now here you already have studied about the functions of management. Which are the functions of management? Like planning, organizing, directing and controlling. These are the main 4 functions of management. So management, it is a process means what? It will go according to the flow of process. First planning has to be done. Okay, how proper planning of activities will be done. Planning means deciding in advance what work has to be done, when and how the work has to be done and all. Okay, then after planning comes organizing. They need to organize the different tasks, activities and all that. Okay, then directing and controlling. Directing means what? Giving proper orders and instruction, and controlling has to be done. So management, it is a process. Then management is both art and science. Now how it is an art? Art means what? Possessing the skills of a person. Okay, skills means what? Whatever the skills or qualities are there in a employee. So management is both art and science also. Art means what? Possessing the different skills and qualities of a person. Now all the different people will be having different skills and different qualities. And how management is a science? Science means what? Following strict principles, laws and regulation. Okay, means whatever the principles and laws have been framed, it is called as a science. So this is all about the nature of management. Now clearly you need to understand, means briefly I will tell you again once. That is, management is a human activity, means everything is related to the people or human beings. In the organization, people are the main asset. Okay, important asset required in the organization. Without people or without employees, an organization cannot run. See, in the organization, if you keep only the machines and all that, it will not run automatically. So it is called as a human activity. Then management is needed at all levels of organization. Doesn't mean that it is needed only at the top level. It is needed at the top level, middle and lower level. Then management is a separate entity. It is a distinct or separate entity. As in the organization, different levels of, means different departments are there. Then management, it is a system of authority. Now in the organization, who is having the authority? The main head or the top level management, they will be having the authority or position. And the responsibility will be given to the middle level and lower level management. Then management, it is a profession. Okay, now how it is a profession? Means following strict rules, regulations and maintaining proper discipline in the organization. Then management, it is a process. Like the functions of management are planning, organizing, directing and controlling. So it will go according to the process. First planning has to be done. Means decide in advance what work has to be done, when and how the work has to be done and all. Okay. Then afterwards organizing. Organizing means what? Arrangement of the different activities. Okay, planning, organizing, then directing and controlling. Directing means giving proper orders and instruction, and controlling has to be done. Then management is both art and science. Art means what? Possessing the skills and qualities of a person. And science means what? Following strict principles and laws. So this is all about the nature of management. Thank you.